Okay guys, today we're going to be playing Teardown. I just got this game into some sandbox. I just chose a random map. By the way, if you can see this, I don't know if you can, but I definitely can. There's like this yellow rim around my screen. If anybody knows how to fix that, please tell me. So this game is really fun. I don't know why it's fun, but it is. Oh, I don't have my mods on. My favorite thing to do in this game, I've played it a bit before, but you just spam these all over the place. Get my hunting rifle and shoot it. And that causes an explosion. Oh yeah, and I can also do this to get better explosions. Boom. Okay, if you guys know how to fix this yellow thing around my screen, it's kind of annoying. If you guys know how to fix it, please tell me. It might be a virus, I don't know, but this is the third time it's ever came. I'm hoping it's not a virus. But there's always a chance. Question, can I destroy this building from over here? No. Okay, I haven't played this game that much, but it's fun. Oh. So, my laptop isn't the best. I got a new one, but it isn't the best, so there is some ways to lag it. Like, as you can see, I'm spamming these things on the back. And now, when I drive, yeah, so that's gone now. Okay. I don't know where I'm. Oh yeah, I'm just gonna. By the way, this causes a chain reaction. So if you cause a giant line over here, then just like, I don't know, spam it all over here. This window. Go over here. Okay. So I'm going to shoot that thing. It's going to explode all over to there. 3, 2, 1. See what I mean? I'm gonna shoot all these down. Okay. You got in my way. Okay. So you guys should go get this game. It's like $20. I got it for on sale, but originally it's like $20. And I'm just going to I'll cut to when I've figured this out. Hey guys, so I placed some, took me like a couple minutes, but I'm gonna end off the video with a big bang. Okay guys, see you in another video, and thanks for getting me to, I think, 8 subscribers. Well, see ya.